Know those moments when all your worries hit again and eat your time. So let's just pretend that it'll work out in the end and turn out fine. Yeah.
Every night crashes down on you like an avalanche, opening up the deepest parts of our thoughts, and all you find is deeper shades of blue.
So let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind? Leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no worries on the dance floor. Just let the weight of your shoulders show 'em what you're made of. Right here, right now. Ain't no worries when you let loose. Tonight let's remember that the past is in the past. It is our time. And you won't forget this and definitely not regret your hand.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Ayan, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Singapore. Hi! Changi Airport. Yan. So, mamaya ko na lang ikikwento yung immigration story. Cheers! Ako na ngayon nag-immigration. Okay, so may stopover kami dito sa Singapore. And then, pupunta kami sa India, sa Bangalore, India. So, ang oras ay 6:34. So, ang flight namin is 7. So, makakarating kami doon ng 9 p.m. So, yan. Bye!
Mine.
All of that mess just disappears when you look at me. Nobody else around is dragging us down, and now you know there's one thing left to do.
So let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind? Leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no worries on the dance floor. Just let the weight of your shoulders.
Hi guys! Welcome back. So, time check, it's 3:58. Magpo-4 na sa Pilipinas. And dito sa India ay 1 a.m. So, kakarating lang namin and nakakapagod sobra yung biyahe. It's like 4 hours lang yung it's a 4 hours travel, pero sobrang nakakapagod niya kasi may connecting flight siya. So, from Manila to Singapore and then Singapore to Bangalore. So, we take Singapore Airlines and yeah. Then, nakakatuwa na nakakakaba. Kasi, hindi ko ina-expect na makakapasa ako sa immigration or makakalagpas ako sa immigration. And, lagi ko nga sinasabi sa mga friend ko na hindi pa ako sure kung makakalabas ako ng bansa. Kasi nga, it was my first time to travel outside the country. And wala pang katatak-tatak yung passport ko. Tapos kakakuha ko lang ng passport ko as in last week lang. Yung immigration interview ko, okay lang naman. Smooth naman siya. Medyo kasama ko kasi yung pinsan ko. So, nauna siya sa akin. So, siya yung medyo nagisa ng onte dun sa questions. And pagdating sa akin, parang ang questions na lang is parang mga apat. Like, saan ako pupunta? Which is India. And then, tinanong niya kung paano kami naging magpinsan. And then, sinabi ko sa kanya na yung father niya and yung mom ko, magkapatid. So, parang chine-check niya din yung mga documents. Then, after that, tinanong niya ako kung may work ako. Then I say, oo. And tinanong niya yung position ko. And then sabi ko nga, I'm working with this position. And then hinanap niya yung company ID ko. And then pagka-ask niya sa akin ng company ID ko, itanong niya ako kung owner ba daw ng company ay Indian. Which is, hindi naman. Kasi yung pinsan ko yung owner ng business. So, yun. So, yun lang. Ganun lang kabili. We stay here at the hotel. This is a Holiday Inn hotel in Bangalore, India. So, here, maliit lang siya. It's just a small hotel with one queen size bed and bathroom and then toilet. Yeah. And dahil maliit siya, plan namin lumipat bukas ng hotel sa mas malaking hotel daw. So, let us see kung saan tayo dadalhin bukas. So, yun. Ano pa ba? Yun lang naman. Igagala din namin kayo. Igagala ka din kayo sa iba't ibang places dito sa India. So, yeah. So, for now, yeah, igagala din namin kayo sa iba't ibang places dito sa India. So, for now, ito lang muna. Yun, tip ko lang dun sa mga first time na traveler din, nagkatulad ko outside the country. Ako, nag-take down notes talaga ako dun sa mga napapanood ko sa YouTube kasi bago kami pumunta ng airport, nanood talaga ako ng mga tips sa YouTube. So, ang first tip na natini ko talaga is yung being confident. So, syempre, pag wala kang tinatago, confident ka talaga sa sagot mo. So, as much as possible, or dapat talaga, yun kung ano lang yung totoo, yun yung sasabihin mo. And then, ano pa, yun nga, I make it sure na I have eye-to-eye contact with yung immigration officer. Yeah. And then, yun, yung pagsagot is confident nga. Today is our day 2 here in Bangalore, India, and yeah, we already prepared for our day today. So, ikot lang kami sa India. And then, work namin pag umaga. So, breakfast na kami kanina sa hotel, restaurant, and sobrang sarap ng pagkain. Masarap yung mga foods nila. Iba pa rin talaga pagka-authentic Indian food. Yeah. So later, I will show you outside. Pakita ko sa inyo yung labas ng India. So, this is my first travel vlog number 3, but first international travel. Yeah. So, ayan na. Nakapack na yung bag namin kasi nagpag kami ng hotel mamaya. So, ayan. Bye!
Time, and you won't forget this, and definitely not regret your hand in mine.
All of the rest just disappears when you look at me. Nobody else around is dragging us down, and now you know there's one thing left to do.
So let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind? Leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no worries on the dance floor. Just let the weight of your shoulders show up what you're made of. Right here, right now. Ain't no worries when you let loose. It's all in the past. No looking back. Just you and me here tonight. We can't change the past. Can't take it back.
Hi guys! So welcome to my day 2 of travel here in India. So kahapon, sobrang pagod na pagod kami kasi whole day kami nag-iikot sa buong India. So we went to different places here in India. Hindi ko na kayo na-update kasi nalobat ako. And then, ngayon, nag-travel kami kagabi from Bangalore to Tirupur. So, yung Tirupur ay one of provinces here in India. So, yun. Okay naman. It's 4 hours drive from Bangalore to here in Tirupur. So, kahapon, na-try ko yung foods ng, iba't ibang foods ng Indian. So, nung nag-arrive kami dito sa, nung nag-arrive kami sa Bangalore, I tried the 2 kind of curry already. And then, kinabukasan, the whole day ng travel namin, puro curry. Spicy, yeah. Kaya yung in-order sa amin, parang less spicy. But, that less spicy is very spicy na. So, grabe. Isipin mo kung gaano kaanghang yung mga foods nila. And then, yun. Pero masarap. Sobrang sarap. Kahit na may amoy yung mga foods nila. Tapos, kahapon, nagpunta kami sa isang place. And then, nagulat kami kasi may flowers. So, binigyan nila kami ng bouquet of flowers. And then, meron silang parang mga welcome traditions na ginawa. Sabi nila, tapos nagtanong ako kasi parang sobrang common ng flowers sa India. Dahil nakikita ako ng mga nagtitinda din sa may kalsada ng mga flowers. So, sabi nila, that is very common here in India. Tapos, nakakatawa kasi some of the girls here are still wearing their traditional dress. And, ang cute nilang tingnan. What else? And one thing more I discovered here in India is that the weather is like in Philippines lang. And then, yung way of driving nila, as in, so dati napapanood ko lang siya sa mga movies na parang they're not using their brake pads here. And yeah, that's true. Mas ginagamit nila yung busina nila. Because they don't want to use their brake pads to stop. And then, kaya ang ingay-ingay ng kalsada nila kasi nga, sobrang grabe yung bumabusina. As in, ayaw nila nang natatagalan sa kalsada. Tapos, sobrang nila bilis magpatakbo. As in, lahat sila. And, yun nga, medyo nakakatakot. So, nag-drive kami from Bangalore to Tirupur last night. And then, yung driver namin, grabe talaga. As in, parang initial D, like, yung mga truck, pinipinahan niya talaga. As in, sobrang dikit niya dun sa ano. So, and I guess that's how really they drive here in India. We checked in here in Poppy's Hotel. And yeah, I'll show you the hotel room. So this is the bigger one compared to last night. So ayan yung flowers na binigay sa amin kahapon. So ito yung room. Yeah, and malaki yung ano niya, yung CR niya. Sobrang spacious. And then yun. So for today, iikot kami dito sa Tirupur for the whole day, and then tonight 10 p.m. we have a domestic flight from here in Tirupur to Chennai. So it's quite far, kaya kailangan it's a 8 hours drive. So medyo magko-cost siya ng too much time if we will take a land travel. So ang gagawin namin is magta-travel kami through domestic flight.
Time, you won't forget this and definitely not regret your hand in mine. pass like the wind. What's on your mind? Leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no worries on the dance floor.
Hi guys! So, kakagising ko lang. Nandito na ulit kami sa Bangalore. Kahapon, domestic flight kami from Chennai to Bangalore. And then, hindi na ako nakapag-video masyado sa Chennai kasi sobrang busy namin. Pero, explain ko na lang. Okay. So, yung Chennai namin is okay naman. But the weather is very humid. Yung mainit siya. Tapos, parang ang salimuom niya sa parang siya, para siyang kulog na mainit. Ganun yung description niya. Basta iba yung init niya. And then, yung color grading niya. Yung color grading na India is like the same dun sa yung movie na papanood natin, yung Indian movie, na ganun talaga. Kasi yung sobrang bright, iba yung labas, iba yung araw sa kanila. Yeah, pero so far, so good. Kinaya ko naman ang init. Kasi like, hello, sobrang trained naman tayo sa Pilipinas. And then, nag-check-in kami sa isang hotel, which is very creepy kasi luma na yung hotel, tapos parang antique siya. Yung sahig niya medyo parang mix of ng semento tas kahoy, kasi parang medyo tumutunog-tunog pa yung kahoy. Pero okay naman, malakas yung internet. Yun lang, medyo creepy lang siya, tsaka hindi siya ganun kalinis. Yun nga, syempre budgeted hotel naman siya, kaya expect natin. Anyway, survive naman namin. Sa stay namin dito for how many days na kumakain kami. Yung food sa Chennai, yung nakita namin na pinakamasarap. Nalasahan namin na mas masarap. So, masarap yung mga foods nila. Tapos tinanong namin yung locals kung bakit mas masarap yung food sa Chennai. And then, sabi nung local, hindi, yung Chennai daw kasi, hindi nila chini-change yung parang traditional way of cooking nila ng mga traditional foods nila. Unlike daw dun sa mga south part, like yan, Bangalore, and then sa New Delhi, yung most daw dun sa mga cook or mga restaurant, binabago na daw nila yung traditional way of cooking yung their foods. Kaya nag-iiba daw yung lasa. Yung street niya, yung kalsada ni Chennai is like hindi siya masyado pang developed. Like masasabi natin na hindi talaga siya city or probinsya talaga siya. Unlike dito sa Bangalore na mag-develop na yung mga streets. Pero okay lang, maganda pa din. Yung mga tao, very nice sila. Nakakatawa sila kasi mababait sila. Kahit hindi ka na naiintindihan, ngingiti sila sa'yo, tapos gigirit ka nila, ganyan. So, at saka, nung una, sa totoo lang, takot talaga akong pumunta dito kasi, like, hala, ano bang gagawin ko dito? Tsaka, naman, diba, parang hindi naman siya common country for those who want to, like, travel as a tourist. Pero, just realize na, nakakatuwa kasi ang babait ng mga tao. So, dumating kami dito ng mga 12 midnight. Then, nag-antay kami ng taxi. And,
Pagdating namin dito sa hotel yon, saka lang kami nakapagpahinga. So, today, until tomorrow afternoon, we will be staying here in Royal... Ano nga ba to? Royal Chucho. Yeah, something Royal Hotel. Bukas ng alas 11 ng gabi, we have to be, before 11 p.m., we have to be at the airport because that's our trip going back to Manila. So, yun. Parang for today, I'll just spend my whole day here in a hotel. And I don't know if we still have plans for tomorrow. So,
Time. You won't forget this and definitely not regret your hand in mine.
All of the rest just disappears when you look at me. Nobody else around is dragging us down. And now you know there's one thing left to do.
So let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your